Jen Bernardini, Head of Business Services and Sustainability Lead at Engaged Communities C.I.C. We've built Go Volunteering, which is next generation volunteering software. I recently participated in the Pathway to Net Zero programme, as we're committed to putting sustainability at the heart of engaged communities and achieving our goal of becoming net zero by 2030. I joined the programme initially looking for some practical help in putting together our environmental policy. I personally wanted this to represent the company ethos and not be off the shelf. I soon discovered there was so much more to learn and upskill on so that I could drive forward our sustainability efforts within the organisation. The workshops with Susie on sustainable business practices were incredibly valuable. They provided us with actionable steps to implement within our organisation. On top of that, the work I did together with Andrew at Carbon Sense, measuring our carbon footprint and putting together a carbon reduction plan, has provided clarity and put us on the right path. Participating in the programme, we've already implemented a few initiatives, such as rolling out Microsoft 365 across the entire organisation, using Teams and sending fewer emails, decluttering our inboxes, using Ecosia as our default search engine, holding 5 minutes at the end of each team meeting to discuss our progression towards net zero, and including sustainability KPIs within every job description. I'm championing a more environmentally conscious workplace culture, and I've already set up a net zero working group to kickstart this. I highly recommend the Pathway to Net Zero programme to any organisation looking to make a positive impact on the environment. It's a fantastic opportunity to gain knowledge, support and resources to move towards sustainability effectively. These workshops and one-to-ones have hands down been the most enjoyable in my career to date. Making a change personally and professionally is so important, and I would encourage others to join me on this journey. We only have one planet and we need to protect it for future generations, so I wish you all the best of luck.